I'm here at Bodija Market here in Ibadan to get the prices of yam. So let's get the price of our yam in Ibadan.
So, hello
The name of this yam is called gambari. So the yam varies with their sizes, that determines their price. So apart from these 6 pieces, these ones that are arranged 40 pieces, they also go for different prices. They are not the same price, so we have them in different prices. So like he was saying, they have the ones of 15,000, they have the one of 22,000, they have the one of 18,000, depending on how much you're buying. So they varies with their sizes. That is what determines the price, but they are the same yam. That is gambari yam.
But the last price, the one who are best matching one. Okay. So daddy, can you always have better business issues? Ṣé èèyàn lè bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní àbó ní ìgbà tó bá àbó ṣì máa wálẹ̀ jù báyìí lọ. Better. But kò wá sí bí iṣu ṣe máa ń pọ̀ tó tẹ́lẹ̀.
So he explained that there was no much yam because I usually come to Bodija when it's yam season and this place is usually filled up. But this year he was telling me that because of the rain didn't fall when it was due for that rain to fall, so it affects the farmers that are planting yam. That is why they are not getting much yam this year. Now I had to move to another yam vendor in Bodija because I don't just want to give you a price of one person and say, okay, this is the fixed price. So, and also like this place I went to, their yam is bigger, very, very big. You can see it's very, very big. So their prices varies. Then apart from that, I had to take you to another yam vendor for you to know that, okay, it's not just this little amount of yam you can get. It's not just this little pieces, this small yam you can get. You can also get big. So he's now explaining to me, this is another man that sells yam at Bodija Market.
This is also gambari yam. It's very good, like they said, it's very good for pounded yam. And another thing is with the price, because the price is still on the very high side. So like what he was telling me, that they are still expecting Oyo State yam, which means Oyo State, that is Oyo here, they plant yam. So when they harvest their yam, it makes the prices of the yam that are already in the market, it reduces their price, because that one is going to be very, very cheap.
So So the yams are of the same sizes, but like I was saying, if you buy this yam, there is anyone you don't like, then they are going to remove it and you are going to have a replacement of another yam.
Money tó fẹ́ ra iṣu sí tó wá ní pé àwọn rí o iṣu yìí gbogbo àwọn náà ṣe lè rà mò ń wá iṣu tó tóbi dáadáa torí àwọn ẹkún àwa olówó má ní òun olówó iṣu ńláńlá la fẹ́ àfẹ́ wọn iṣu tó mú fẹ́ mo ṣe wá bá yín gbọ̀ngàn this yam dàbí.
iṣu ńlá lọ́jà lọ́ọ̀kì tàbí wọ́n lọ pé wọ́n wá sí ọjà yẹn lórí iṣu ńlá gan tàbí àtàkùn bá dé wà iṣu ńlá. Sometimes you do la mama lọ́jà, sometimes you do la lọ́jà. So lucky.
Ọmọ tí rè rà ló dà pé mo rí kí nìkan ló dà pé ẹni ṣù ńlá.
It's not always that you can find big yams in the markets, like you were saying. So you can. Sometimes it's very scarce for you to get big yams. So, but for him, he try as much as possible to make sure that he's having big yam, because there are a lot of people that they don't like this small yam. They prefer the big ones. So, like he was telling me that he tries as much as possible to make sure that the yam is buying their big, very big size.
This yam is big. See how big. So, Eshesa, Ematata, go back there, she get a couple of machines. Calafe wara, one day, get in touch with Louis to get a map of fish.
So this man is explaining that they make home delivery. And how do they make their home delivery? They will get your contact address after you have negotiated with your price and you have agreed with what you want to buy. They have a particular type of vehicle here that usually go to Lagos or anywhere you are in Nigeria. So once you have agreed with the price, they send that driver with the yam down to you and your yam is delivered. So there's nowhere you can get your yam wherever you are. You're going to get your yam delivered to your doorstep. Vendor here at Bodija. Look at how his own yam looks like. yam. This one is called efuru. That is efuru. The yams that are arranged are being numbered according to how big they are. So like they were telling me, that's number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video. Always support my video and watch my full video. This yam, there are 60 pieces. This is not 40 pieces. So this man is selling 60 pieces. So like he was also explaining, if you don't want to buy 60 pieces, he can sell half, he can sell 40, he can sell 50. So their prices ranges from 30 to 100. So you can buy anyone that you know, okay, you want, or you can buy half.
What I think of is so anyone fẹ́ wá sínú Bódìjà ní wọ́n fẹ́ wá ra ìṣe ẹjọ́ ní kí lórúkọ ìṣe ilé. Okay. So tó bá wá síbí ìṣe fẹ́ ra ìṣe àbí tí èèyàn kàn wò tó ń pẹ́ àkúndẹ̀ láì ṣe afẹ́ rà báwo ló máa ṣe wọ́n bá jẹ́ Bódìjà báwo ló máa ṣe sọ pé òkè ọ̀dọ́ yín lélẹ̀.
Today's market vlog. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video. Till I see you in my next video, I say thank you so much. Bye.
Ẹ máa tàtà ẹ máa rí ṣe dà.